Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a real mojito. First, gather your fresh ingredients and tools. You'll need crisp mint leaves, juicy lime wedges, and a sturdy muddler. Also, prepare your simple syrup, white rum, and a tall glass. Don't forget plenty of ice and some refreshing club soda to complete your perfect drink. Now, let's start building our mojito. Place about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 to 3 lime wedges into your glass. Gently muddle them together to release their aromatic oils and juices. Next, add 2 teaspoons of simple syrup, followed by 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. This creates the flavorful base. With your base ready, it's time for the next step. Fill your glass completely with ice, ensuring it's packed well. Then, slowly top off the mixture with club soda, filling the glass almost to the brim. Give it a gentle stir with a long spoon to combine all the wonderful flavors without losing the fizz. This keeps it light and refreshing. Finally, for the perfect presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your mojito. Add a fresh sprig of mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its fragrance, and a fresh lime wedge to the rim of the glass. Serve your delicious, homemade mojito immediately and enjoy this classic, refreshing cocktail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.